Our ʻōlelo or Hawaiian word for today is pupuka. E hoʻopili mai. Pupuka. Mai ka ino. Pupuka can be translated to mean ugly or unattractive, something that really isn't nice or appealing to the eye. But it's also a word that we use to describe a very cute and adorable child. So when I see these beautiful, chubby newborn babies, I say, oh, Pupuka, your baby is so Pupuka. And it comes from a place of humility. And it's believed that when you use these types of words, then jealous spirits, jealous onlookers will not have their eyes on your child because you're using the word pupuka rather than the word, oh, nani loa, so beautiful. We use the opposite. It's like a trick. So let's say that word again. Pupuka. Mai ka ino, ahui ho malama pono.